It is not just quite that often we see winners, that also the very next day when they received some prestigious award. First of all, congratulations, Jitendra Lakhotia sir.
Many thanks, sir.
Yeah, getting this Blaser Productivity Trophy 2022 for the achievements what Aakar Foundry made with the Blaser Swisslube products at their factory. So, can you tell me, how you feel?
It's an honor, and we are thankful to Blaser that they recognized our efforts, and we achieved phenomenal productivity improvements, and because of that, we could save our investment in machines. So at least I eliminated around 3 crore investment by using Blaser's oil. So my productivity gone up on an average 10 to 15%.
That's amazing. And that also when we are telling about you saving 3 crore rupees, but the journey of Aakar Foundry itself is so inspiring for many people. In a very short time, you are able to reach out 200 plus crore rupees of business. More than 6,000 tons of aluminium castings are made at Aakar. How this success? What is the secret behind this success?
I have to give direction and my team works. My team take away all that pressure and they keep me free to look out for the business. As I am basically from Pune Automobile Hub, many customers knows me since last more than 20 years. So it is a big benefit for Aakar that as I was a marketing man earlier in earlier assignments. So bringing orders was never a problem, and even my marketing team is equally strong. But executing is challenging, wherein our engineering team, Mr. Biradar, Mr. Amit Tingre, and execution team, Mr. Vijay Sable, Mr. Sandeep Khoth, Mr. Nair from maintenance, all they had shared the responsibility, and we have a common goal that we should excel in whatever we do, and that is the only reason that we work together and we achieve success together.
So if you can share us in a nutshell the business what Aakar is doing, the kind of work you are doing, what kind of industries you are helping.
See, Aakar is having unique product mix. Automotive is 65%, non-automotive is 35%. More than 15% sale comes from the direct exports at 9 destinations. And we are the only company in our region wherein low pressure, high pressure, gravity, all 3 processes are under one roof. And also we have good knack to provide right solution to the customer by choosing any one correct process for them. So this also brings their cost down. And I must say that I had never lost a customer. And we are serving almost 30 customers. We are pouring more than 350 parts every month, which itself must be very unique because handling so many different variety of a part in one plant, in one roof is a challenge, and we are doing it. So all credit goes to my team.
Success come with great customers, great partners, and great people. And you one are such an example. Thank you very much for sharing your valuable time with Machine Maker. And we wish you and Aakar Foundry more success in the coming days.
Thank you very much, sir.